Hey Ron, welcome back. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of Alexa, Amazon's smart voice assistant that has revolutionized the way we interact with technology. From answering questions to controlling smart home devices, Alexa is changing lives, one command at a time. Ever wonder how it all works or what makes it so popular? Stick around as we uncover some amazing facts with it. So the base components of Alexa, if we see from a user perspective, so the obviously we need an Amazon account and also the device, which is a voice box, or usually it has a display on it too. So generally the Amazon accounts lets you build a profile, save those software settings, and also we can link those devices, the smart plugs. So with the account and app we can do all these things. And also obviously to connect the Alexa we just, so usually all voice commands begin with a wake word, it's generally termed as Alexa. So if we call, if we want to say something to it, so we use the word Alexa and we say the thing which we wanted to say. For example, hey Alexa, switch on the light. So yeah, that would be a good example, but it can be changeable with the assistance app for Android, and also it is supported in iOS. What I told now are just basic things, even a small kid can get it. So let's go on to the the most awaited part. How does Alexa hear, or how does Alexa respond to it? So first let's see how does it hear. So obviously if you want to just speak through some devices, the devices must have microphone. Well, that's the case here. So Alexa equipped devices have at least one microphone, but there are often two or more smart speakers, and also some variants have those display thing. This makes it easier to isolate the voices from ambient noise, since it creates a directional data which can be compared and filtered through the certain algorithms which it has. So there are finite limits of those algorithms. So the thing is, you cannot be standing to next to a loud TV, and you can't expect the speaker to understand it, right? So as the loud TV obviously creates noises, so it cannot process the word Alexa. So yeah, there are some limitations. When I first saw the Alexa, or when I used it, I had a pretty obvious doubt. What if it just records or audio, like everything which I speak, rather than speaking to Alexa, like I'll be speaking to some other person in the same room where Alexa is. So I thought, what if it might record it? Then while researching, I understood that it doesn't continually record everything we say. It's just constantly listening to the wake word, which is Alexa, so, and the subsequent audio. So yeah, it ends after it just recording just ends after you stop talking to it, and those things which we spoke to Alexa alone goes to Amazon for interpretation. But that will not be the case in the future, because so Amazon is experimenting with the offline processing devices like the 4th gen Echo or Echo Show 10, because they have integrated a AZ neutral edge processors. So it seems to have drifted away from the idea though, for unknown reasons probably. So when I said about the the recordings go to Amazon, you might have a doubt, why is it going to Amazon? So Amazon has given a statement for that. So it says that it encrypts the uploaded audio recordings, but saves them by default and analyzes extremely this is the whole sentence what they told. It analyzes an extremely small sample of anonymized clips to just for improving the Alexa's performance. So now let's see how does Alexa respond. The reason Alexa has been utterly dependent on the cloud until lately is the demands of natural language processing. Each command has to be broken down into individual speech units called phonemes, and those units then compared with a database to find the closest word matches. On top of that, the software has to identify the sentence structure as well as terms relevant to different subsystems. If you say set the thermostat or the AC to cool, Alexa knows to forward that to a smart home application programming interface. So there are people with different accents and different languages. So obviously Alexa should be knowing to distinguish between different accents or dialects. Obviously with the help of Amazon support including regional variants, it does it. But the user needs to select them in the Alexa app if their device doesn't ship them with preloaded. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned and we'll meet you in the next video.